Good morning. Today I want to show how works the ElettroLaser nano machine 30 volts. Today I want to show three things for this machine. First one, I want to engrave a picture. Second one, I want to engrave a vector. And third one, I want to show how it works with rings outside, inside engravings. First, we have to open a picture. I want to show the picture. This is the picture that I want to engrave in a surface, a metal surface, any metal. And I want to open the software. That's the software. Right now it's open, and I have the picture in there. First one, we have some parameters. We create some parameters for the bitmap files. We can share the parameters when you receive the machine and when you have the training. Before I start engraving, I want to show how works the machine. We start the machine. When we start the machine, you can see here 2 points. One point is for the laser, the other point is the pointer for the calibration. How we calibrate? We move the machine. Can you show that? We move the machine until both points, 2 points, make one. Has to be together. That is the point. When the both red lights are together, the machine is calibrated. Easy. After we have calibrated, the next step is go to the software and check and mark what you want. See, for the center, I have a bitmap here, ready with the parameters that I have, and I want to check if I can see, if I want to keep on the surface. I'm making a red light, and you can see the red light on top of the surface. That is the size of the picture that I want to engrave. When that one is ready, the first step that I want, you can see the metal is dirty, the metal is not clean. The first thing I have to clean the surface. The software has a tool, a nice tool. The name is Cleaner. That is exactly to clean the surfaces after engraving, or to clean the surfaces for set up the picture. What I want to do, create a little square on top of the picture, center, and after make a hatch. I have the hatch, and when it's ready, I have to check if I check in the machine, the hatch is exactly that size, the same size to the picture, and I want to start cleaning. The machine starts cleaning. You can see right now the machine is cleaning the surface. That tool is very nice from this machine and works perfectly for engravings. You can see the machine is cleaning, very nice. Cleaning the surfaces. And that is ready for engraving. If you see some lines, you can do one more time, because I need the surface very, very clean, and the picture has to come beautiful. I do one more time cleaning. I want to make sure everything is very clean, the surface. And I need that. I need that because I need a nice picture. Almost done. That's it. Right now, my surface is cleaning, ready for the engraving. Okay, come back to the software. Come back to the software. I delete the part who I create, and right now I select the picture, and also I have to apply for the parameters for the picture. The first thing I do, check, red point, is marking exactly where I want to make the engraving. And the next is engrave. And the machine starts engraving. You can see the machine right now is start engraving the picture. I want to see how is the results. You can use any picture from the iPhone. You can do iPhone or any phone. You can use the pictures. The software automatic create the black and white colors, and after we give some parameters, and the machine start engraving the picture on the metal, in any metals. And now you can see the machine is doing. This is the picture that we want to show. Can you check can you put that is the picture that we're engraving right now. The machine is working. That picture I take from internet. It's coming the picture. Yes, it's good. Almost done. Good. The machine finished. I want to take out the piece because I want to show how coming the piece maybe close to the camera. I think you can see better. Can you show? You can show. This is a nice picture. You see? You can see the picture coming very nice. That's engraved. That one you cannot do anything, you know. Nothing. It's engraved. It's engraved there. Everything is fine. Look, it's permanent. The engraving coming good. If you have some error, you see some line, something like that, you do one more time on top of the picture, and avoid all the lines, something like that. But that's how it works the machine. Okay, I hope you like how come in the pictures. It's not easy to engrave pictures in lasers, but it's possible. It's possible. I repeat, when you have the training, the instructor can teach you how you can do this thing. Thank you. The next step that I want to do is I want to show how engrave a vector, any vector on a surface. I have a metal here. I have metal. I put any metal there, and I want to engrave something. And to the lid, and I want to open, a nice vector. This vector you can create in the software, or you can in any software. Normally in jewelry we have a Rhino, Matrix, JewelCAD, etc. And you can use any software to create vectors. You can see the vector is there. And I want to select the vector and put it in the middle, center. And right now I want to see if I can see in my machine. If you see here, right now, I want to put in the middle. Moving. It's almost there. You can see it's in the middle. Or you can do like this. You can show the contour, and you can see how the machine works, how the machine can engrave there. It's time to put in the middle. You know, it's instruction. I'm not perfect, but I'm trying to show how it works, what really do this machine. After I have marked, I decide what kind of metal is. In this case, I want to work with silver. It's pre-made silver. And I want to put 3 loops. And also I want to put power 75. That's enough. First one, I select. I know what it's in the middle. And the next one is engrave. And you can see the engraving. Stop 1 second. We don't do something. We don't calibrate the point. We have to calibrate the point. One more time. Make the point in the middle. Right now it's calibrated. Select everything is fine. And do it. We did 3 times. You see enough? It's 3 times. Can you check the camera? I think it's good. If we want to make a little better, we can clean that and apply the cleaning. The machine is cleaning right now the engraving. It's cleaning, it's cleaning. We can do one more time, cleaning the engraving. And after that, I want to show you how coming. I want to show you how coming. You can see in the camera how coming the engraving. Please show the camera how nice coming the engraving. You see? Easy, in 1 minute, nice and clean. 1 minute engraving. That is how works this machine with the vectors. Any vectors. It's only make that what you want to do and the machine works. This is in flat surfaces, works in, and right now the next step that I want to show how works the machine on rings. We have a different thing for the rings. I want to change the things for the rings. And the next one is the rotary. Okay, this is the tool for engraving rings. Okay, this is the tool to engraving rings. Okay, has to be in the middle. It's in the middle right now. Okay, I want to use a ring. I have one ring here. First, I want to put the outside ring. Okay, that is the tool, and I want to engrave the outside ring. First one, when we want to engrave outside, we have to check. We have to check the ring size. Okay, we go to the software. Go to laser. I want to do ring text mark. Ring text mark. Oh. Okay. I go to ring diameter. I want to check my diameter. Is second 22.12. 22.12. Okay, and the ring height is 8 millimeters. It's okay. Right now it's okay. The next step is put the ring on the rotary. Put the rotary there. Adjust the ring. Has to be very good there. When we want to engrave rings on outside ring, we use 0 degrees. 0 degrees, and we're ready. And the next step is calibrate the 2 points. That's the next step. Calibrate the 2 points. We have the points there. We have to move. I want to put, this one has to be in the middle. The laser has to be in the middle. And right now, calibrate the pointer. That's it. Right now it's ready for the cast for the rings. I want to quit here. I want to take out this one, delete, and right now I want to put a text, any text. I want to put USA, USA, USA. Apply, center, and right now I can see where put in my machine. I can see that. I want to go to laser, ring text mark. I can check there, and you see the USA there. I want to rotate this ring because I want to make nice from here. One second. You can see the U there. You can see the U there. It's in the middle. The U. You know, you can make the next. Cancel. Ring inside has to be ring outside. Ring outside. Ring text mark. I want to mark. Next, next, next. Cancel that. I want to start in there. I want to check. Text mark. Next, 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 next. Okay. I want to make sure this was the last. That's it. Okay. I have this one ready, and I can do 1 second. I want to quit this one. I want to make sure first one good. The software is failing. 1 second, please. And the connectors is doing one more time. Okay. Delete. Okay, I want to make the text one more time. USA, USA, USA. Apply, center. I want to make sure where it's, you know, I put in the middle. In the middle, perfect. It's showing me. Stop. And right now I want to go to ring text mark. I want to check this. It's the first letter. Okay. Cancel that. I want to use silver in here. Apply to pickup. And I do this one. One more time. Laser. Text ring text mark. Marking. Cancel. And do this one. One more time. You can see how it's coming and coming very nice. That is how this machine can engrave outside rings. Simple, you know, put the letters or everything that you want to put in the ring, and after that engrave. The only thing is when you want to engrave outside rings, you have to use the 0 angle. And right now you can see USA is nice. You can check that in the camera. Please, the camera, help me show how come in the USA. Show, please, how come in the engraving. You can see the engraving is very nice there. USA. USA, USA, USA. You can see that. Okay. The next step that I want to show is how engrave inside the ring. Inside the ring. First one, I want to check the ring diameter. This one is 19.3. Go one more time to ring text mark. It's 19.3. Ring diameter 19.3. Okay, and the height is 6.3. 6.3. Okay, and right now I want to put the ring. Outside ring. And the angle that I like to use is 20. 20 is good for me. I like the angle. And the middle there, the middle is there. Lead in the middle. I want to do. After I want to put the second light, I had to calibrate first. Almost done. And I want to check. I want ring text mark. Check that one. How come? That's nice. Big one. Have in the center the USA. I want to check if it works. Works. Cancel. Has to be. We'll have to check ring inside. And right now, make that one. Next. Looks good. I have to select the silver. In this case, silver. I want to put 4 loops. I want to make hatch in that. Okay, that's okay. I can make the hatch like this, and see what happens. Ring text mark. That one's red. Cancel, and see what happens. Nice, it's coming very nice inside the rings. I think everybody love that. It's not easy to do this kind of engraves inside, but this machine make very easy and fast. You can see USA inside and looks very nice. Thank you very much for today. Today I show how you can engrave pictures. I show how you engrave surfaces, flat surfaces using vectors, and I show how engrave was very nice in the there was looking good. You can and I show how you can engrave inside and outside of the rings. You can see that coming perfectly, and also the surface outside of the ring is very nice to make that. But this is everything for today. Thank you very much, and see you the next time. Bye bye.